Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by a fan, my brother. What's your name and where are you from?
Oh, my name is Ben Skosan. I'm from Cape Town.
Yeah. Ben,
nice.
Game today, my brother.
My boss, it was a nice game.
Nice
Even
game.
if the way that he stepped us, but
Yes,
it was a nice game indeed.
Yeah. And Chilo Babulaile Juang.
My boss, so it was like a game, you know. This is a builder for us to go to Teben.
Teben,
yeah. All roads to Teben now.
Against Orlando Pirates.
No, it's Mamkiza first, and then it's Orlando after.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates, it's our lunch.
It's your lunch?
That's it, my boss.
What are you going to do to Orlando Pirates?
You will see when we get there, my boss. We'll be rocking hard, my boss.
You'll be rocking hard.
So
Loma Bula, my brother.
That's right.
3-1
is the score for Orlando Pirates and Sundowns
final.
That's nice.
It's finished.
It's our revenge.
A revenge.
They owe us.
Yeah.
That's match.
Okay, my brother, man of the match today, man.
I left early because of the journey, my boss. I'm going back home,
Where?
In Cape Town, my boss.
All the way from Cape Town?
Now I'm going back home.
Yeah. But
nice,
you're a personal man of the match, not the one.
No, it's Shalui Lovias indeed, my boss. Shalui Lovias. We all know he came up the best. Everyone's a captain as well. But that's nice. He played well, my boss.
Yeah. My brother, Strata Sabu.
That's nice.
Makosi, Arle Baropile. My brother, what do you have to say about that?
You know, they owe us a lot, Makosi. From the likes of Ein McLeod as a referee back then till today. They owe us. And it's coming, my boss. It's a revenge. It's a payback time.
It's a payback time.
That's nice, my boss.
So how mind the
we don't care.
You don't care about that?
Even if you can rob them 10 years to come. We don't care.
It's payback time. It's payback time.
My boss, it's payback time. They owe us a lot. They know that. From Rotman's Cup, Bobsif, Super Bowl, everywhere. They owe us, my boss.
They owe you.
That's nice.
Thank you, my brother.
Thanks, man.